In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mastercard gift card on DoorDash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly register your Mastercard gift card as a payment method inside of DoorDash. These sorts of gift cards from Mastercard and Visa are standard debit cards, so all that you have to do is go over to your payment methods and add them as if they were debit cards. So go into DoorDash, tap on Me at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account page, and inside of your account, head over into the settings. So the settings button will be available here at the top. Once you choose settings, you will be able to scroll down until you find account settings and you will see payment, manage payment methods, and DoorDash credits. So choose this option under your account settings. By going over to payments, you will see plenty of different payment methods, including credit or debit card. Like I said before, these sorts of gift cards from Visa and Mastercard are treated as debit cards, so all that you have to do is choose the option to add a debit or credit card. Now you will be able to input all of the necessary details, so the full card number, the expiration date, and security code. You might also be asked for a zip code. If your specific gift card does not have a zip code attributed, you can input your own zip code and this should work. If it tells you that your particular gift card was not accepted, then sadly there's not much that you can do. The only way in which you can see if your specific gift card is accepted is to add it through this window. As long as you have enough balance on the card, which is another consideration that you should make, it will be used the next time that you place an order on DoorDash. As long as the order falls within the balance available on that gift card, you will be able to conclude it using it as a payment method, and all that you have to do is add it as a standard debit card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Mastercard gift card on DoorDash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.